Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on the daytime running lights on the VW Touareg, the first generation. For this, if you want to activate this option, you have to have the daytime running lights option on your VW Touareg. I had another one that didn't have this option. So first you have to turn on. We have to go over here with this switch and turn on the engine. Wait a little bit until the checks are done, and let's see. So first we have to use this button over here. This is the menu button, and we have to press until we are going to reach the menu setup over here. And after that, to go down or up, we have to use this small wheel. But in our case, it's right over here where the lights says, or where the lights are. And if you want to go on the lights where the lights are, just push this small wheel, and here you can see coming home lights, daytime lights, and foot lights. If you we are going to go to daytime lights. Over here, press the small wheel, and in my case it's off. Press the small wheel again, and it's on. You have to press this over here, this button, this small wheel, and you can choose if the lights are going to be on or off. In my case, are off. To exit the menu, just push this button over here, and you are going to go back to the main menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.